In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file uploads to Squarespace forms. If you want people visiting your website to send documents, images, or other files through a form, Squarespace makes that possible right inside the form editor. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the option and how to add it to your form so your visitors can upload files as part of their submission. To begin, open the page or section in Squarespace where you want the form to appear. Once you're in the editor, click on ADD block. This is where you add new content elements to the page, including forms. If you're building a contact page, an application form, or a request form, this is the starting point for placing that form on the page. From the block options, click on form. This inserts a form block into your page so you can start customizing it. If there's already a form on the page that you want to update, this process will still help you access the same editing options and add the upload field there. Next, click the pencil icon to edit the form. This opens the form settings where you can change the structure of the form, update field labels, and adjust what information people can submit. The pencil icon is the main entry point for customizing the form. So once you open it, you're in the right place. After that, click on Edit Form Fields. This section controls the individual fields inside your form, such as name, email, message, and any custom fields you want to include. Since file upload is a type of form field, this is where you need to go to add it. Now click on Add Field. This brings up the list of field types available for your form. Squarespace gives you different options depending on the kind of information you want to collect. And this is the menu you'll use whenever you want to expand the form beyond the default fields. From that list, click on File Upload. As soon as you selected it, the File Upload field will be added to your form. This allows visitors to attach files when submitting the form, which can be especially useful for resumes, supporting documents, project assets, or other materials you would need to collect. Once the field is added, take a moment to review your form and make sure it fits the flow of the information you're asking for. That's all it takes to add file uploads to a Squarespace form. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.